Chapter 6 OneNote 2016. We all use different applications for performing different tasks. For example, for creating documents, we use MS Word. For creating worksheets, we use MS Excel. For drawing and painting, we use MS Paint, etc. Similarly, for making notes, one program was launched by Microsoft Office, that is MS OneNote. It is a personal information management application which helps in gathering notes of all kinds into a convenient digital notebook. You can store information at a single place and access information about various fields like school, work, and personal life. It is very easy and simple to create a new OneNote notebook with tabbed pages and section. You can also add typed and handwritten notes, files, tables, links, pictures, audio, and video. Importance of OneNote. It is a virtual notebook which helps users to create notes in different formats. With OneNote, you can share your notes and sync them with the cloud and collaborate with others as well. You can easily create handwritten, typed, audio, and video notes and search these notes. In OneNote, everything is saved automatically in case you forget to save your work. Collaborate with others. It facilitates the sharing of notebooks. You can collaborate with your friends, family, colleague on notebook content. Keep everything in sync. You can store all your notebooks on cloud for accessing them anywhere and on any device. Remember everything. It helps in adding tags to any notes, making checklists and to-do lists. Organize with tables. You can create data tables which can be used for Excel spreadsheets. Insert audio and video. You can insert audio notes, pictures, videos, and clip the web directly to OneNote by using the OneNote web clipper. Insert files. Files from other applications like Excel spreadsheet, a Word document, or a presentation can be inserted into your notebook. Clip from the web. The screenshot of anything you find on any web page can be inserted after saving it. Brainstorm without clutter. For focusing on the important matters, you can share only the essentials in notes. Creating a new notebook. You can create multiple notebooks in OneNote. Within a notebook, you can share multiple sections and add multiple pages to each section. To start OneNote and create a notebook, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Select all apps and click on OneNote 2016. Step 3. OneNote Start screen appears which displays the Quick Notes tab selected. Step 4. Click on the File tab and select the New option. Step 5. The new notebook window will appear in the right pane. Step 6. Select the location where you want to save the new notebook. Also specify a name for your notebook in the notebook name text box. Step 7. Click on the Create Notebook button. A new notebook opens with Untitled page, parts of OneNote window. Quick Access toolbar. It contains frequently used command. Ribbon. Explore the ribbon tabs to see the various options and tools provided by OneNote. Notebooks pane displays the list of notebooks created in OneNote. Collapse the ribbon. Click the arrow to collapse or expand the ribbon. Notebook sections. Click these tabs to switch between sections in the current notebook. Slider to resize notebook window. Notebook pages. These tabs display various pages in the current notebook section. Opening and closing notebook. You can open and close notebooks as per your requirement. Until you close the notebook, they remain open. As you add and work with more notebooks, they tend to clutter the sidebar. For opening the notebook, follow the steps given. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on Open and select Recent option under Open from Other Locations section. Step 3. Select the name of the notebook in the recent items and choose the file which you want to open. Step 4. You can also click on the Browse button for navigating the File Documents folder on your computer. For closing a notebook, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the notebook's list. Step 2. Right-click over the notebook that you want to close. Step 3. Click on Close this notebook option. Adding sections. OneNote is organized into different sections and pages, and it is easy to make them colorful. Sections are the tabs which create categories. It is just like our notebooks. You can add as many sections or pages in OneNote notebook as you desire. For adding new sections, follow the steps given below. Step 1. When you create a new notebook, it is created with a section named New Section 1 by default. Step 2. To rename a section, double-click on its current name, type a new name and press Enter. Step 3. For adding a new section, click on the Create a New Section plus tab. A new tab with default name appears. Type the desired name and press Enter. Step 4. To change the color of any section tab, right-click on the tab and select Section Color option and click on the desired color from the submenu. To move a section, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Left-click and hold a section tab with the help of your mouse. Step 2. Drag the section left or right of other sections. Step 3. You will observe a small rectangle with arrow mouse pointer depicting where the section will be placed. Step 4. Release the left mouse button when the section is placed at the desired location. Adding pages. A new section is created with a blank untitled page by default. This page can be seen in the right pane of the OneNote window. The header of the page is blank and displays date and time of creation. For adding pages, the given steps should be followed. Step 1. Click on plus Add Page option present in the right pane. Step 2. A new untitled page appears at the top of the page. Step 3. In the highlighted area above the line, type the new page name. Step 4. See the page name which now appears in the Pages pane and on OneNote window title bar. Adding lines and changing background. By default, every page that you create has a plain white background. You can change the background color and add lines to a page. To change the background color of a page and to add lines to it, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the View tab. Step 2. To add lines to a page, click on drop-down arrow of Rule Lines option under the Page Setup group. Step 3. Select the type of lines you want on your page. The lines will appear on the complete page. Step 4. To change the background color of a page, click on the drop-down arrow of Page Color option in the Page Setup group under the View tab. Step 5. Select the color from the displayed list. Making notes. OneNote supports many ways to take notes like keyboard typing, inking with a stylus, drawing, audio notes through a microphone, etc. Different ways need different hardware devices to be attached. The given steps should be followed for making notes. For typing notes, Step 1. Open Notebook and select a section within a notebook and click anywhere on a page and start typing. Step 2. The text you entered appears in the note container box, which is a small window. The header bar of note container can be dragged to move notes around the page. Step 3. You can format the notes either by selecting the text or by clicking on the 4 dots present on the upper bar of the note window. This will select the entire text of the window and will display the toolbar containing formatting options. For inking notes, you can also write notes in your own handwriting. To ink notes, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the Draw tab. Step 2. Select any of colored pen or highlighter from the Tools group. Now start writing your notes. Step 3. The color and thickness of the pen or highlighter can be changed using Color and Thickness option in the Tools group on the Draw tab. Step 4. To stop writing, click on the Type option on the Draw tab. Inserting images. The given steps should be followed for inserting images from screen clipping, pictures saved on your computer, and online pictures. For inserting pictures, Step 1. On the Insert tab, click on the Pictures command in the Images group. Step 2. Insert Picture dialog box will appear. In the address box, navigate the file. Choose the desired file and click on the Insert button. Step 3. The image gets inserted in the current page of OneNote notebook. For inserting screen clipping, Step 1. Click on the Insert tab and choose the Screen Clipping command. Step 2. On your screen, an overlay layer appears. Step 3. You can drag cursor for selecting an area for clipping for your notebook page. Step 4. The screen clipping area of the image is inserted in the notebook. Recording audio and video notes. OneNote 2016 has the ability to embed videos and audios right into a page. Adding videos and audios makes organizing your notebooks even better. Sometimes it is not feasible to type notes fast enough. In that case, you can use OneNote to record audio or video notes. Recording an audio or a video note. For recording an audio or a video note, make sure that your computer is connected to a microphone. To record and insert an audio note, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click anywhere on the page where you want to insert the audio or video note. Step 2. Click on the Insert tab. Step 3. Select the Record Audio or Record Video option in the Recording group. Step 4. It will start recording and open the Recording tab with a timestamp. Step 5. When you are done, click on the Stop button in the Playback group under the Audio and Video tab. Step 6. To play the recording, click on the Media icon on the page and then click Play. Creating tables. For organizing information in a better way, tables are used. On a page, a table with specific number of rows and columns can be inserted. For creating a table, follow the steps given below. Step 1. On the Insert tab in the Tables group, click on the Table button. Step 2. In the Insert Table box, select the number of columns and rows you want. Step 3. For creating more columns, press Tab key. Press Enter key to add more rows. Or Step 1. Click on the page where you want to insert the table. Step 2. On the Insert tab in the Tables group, click Table and then click Insert Table. Step 3. In the Insert Table dialog box, enter the number of columns in the Number of Columns box and enter the number of rows you want in your table in the Number of Rows box. Step 4. Click on OK. Lesson Sum Up. Microsoft OneNote is a digital notebook that helps in making quick notes, either handwritten or typed. It is a personal information management application which helps in gathering notes of all kinds into a convenient digital notebook. OneNote is organized in different sections and pages. OneNote notebooks are organized into sections and pages. Different ways to take notes into OneNote are typing, writing with a light pen, drawing, audio notes, etc. In an OneNote page, a table with specific number of rows and columns can be inserted.